Hello, good day and welcome to today's AutoCAD class. Alright, today we'll be considering the problem displayed on the screen on tangency problem using AutoCAD. So all we've got to do is just to reproduce this problem as displayed on the screen using the AutoCAD software. Alright, my name remains Oluwatumbi Blessing or Lalekon, the founder of MaekllTech. Alright, so the very first thing I'm going to do is come into my AutoCAD software. Alright, obviously I've set up my parameters. I'm going to click on my circle. So the first two circles we have at the top here, we have diameter 50 and diameter 102. So I'm going to draw them. So diameter 50 and diameter 102. Alright, so after doing that, I'm going to try and put a center line. So I won't pick a preset one, let me just draw on my own. Okay, so like this, all the way down like this. Now you'll be wondering why my line is not this thing, is giving me a straight line. That's because I switch on my auto mode. So my auto mode is switched on. Pressing F8, switched it on. It is going to restrict it to just horizontal and vertical lines. So take note of that. With your auto mode switched on, you will only be restricted towards horizontal and vertical lines. Take note of that. Alright, so now looking at this problem on the screen, the distance from this middle line to the left and to the right is what? 64. And that is where we have these smaller circles. So with my offset command and 64 from here to the left and from here to the right. Okay, now the two circles we have in there, so we are having the first circle with diameter 16, you can see, and the second one is radius 16, that's diameter 32. So with my circle and ensuring I pick my normal line, so with my circle, diameter 16, enter. So to draw the second circle, that will be radius 16, enter. So we have this like that. Okay, and the arc connecting them at the top and at the bottom is arc of radius 26, and the arcs are external arc. How is it external arc? I can't be explaining that here, so check the link under the description of this video. Okay, and you will see a link that actually takes you to another video where I explain how to denote arcs when it comes to tangency, how to denote an internal arc, an external arc, and arc on a straight line. Okay, so the video is well explanatory on its own. It is well explanatory. So when you watch that, then whenever you come across any problem on tangency, you'll be able to deduce which arc is which, whether it is internal, external, or on a straight line. Okay, now coming to my circle within, I pick tan radius. So first mark here, second mark here, and 26, radius 26. That one is settled like that. So I'm going to put the same thing at the bottom, here, and what? 26, enter. So with that, I can joyfully trim this off like that, and trim this alongside this like that. Okay, I'm going to trim this, and this also. Okay, now after doing that, I need to replicate it here. Instead of drawing, I'm going to just highlight the features. Okay, the drawings here, I'm going to highlight them. Click on mirror. Clicking on mirror, here to here, just any two spots here. So no, I have it on the other side. So that place is what is set to like that. Chip like what? Like plantain chips. And I think I can actually trim these excesses here. PM, like that. Okay, now looking at this, so the distance between this center line here to this line here is what? 128. After that 128, from that 128, I have 26 to the top and I have 50 to the bottom. So 128, 26, and 50. So with my offset, I go with 128 first. With 128 from here to the bottom. From here to the top again at 26. Then from here to the bottom at what? 50. Okay, that's settled like that. That's settled like that. Okay. So I think I can also trim this area off like this. Enter. Okay, Then the next thing is, look at this. So from this center line here, this vertical line, I have 50 towards the left and 50 towards the right. Okay, so I'm going to use my offset at mark of 50, enter. So 50 towards the left, 50 towards the right, and okay, I think that is settled like that. Yes, that's settled. So now we are having 3 circles, 3 buses, diameter 50, drill of 24. So this is the first one, second one, and third one. The external circle is 50, the internal circle is 24, diameter 50 and diameter 24 respectively at those landmarks. So with my circle 50, diameter 24 is going to be radius 12. The first mark settled. Okay. The second mark is going to be here. Diameter 50 and diameter 24. That will be radius 12. Okay. So the third mark is going to be here. Diameter 50 is going to be radius 25, and diameter 24 is going to be radius radius 12. Okay, those are the 3 musketeers. Okay, now towards my right hand side, I have this diameter 32 and diameter 16. Diameter 32 and diameter 16, that is going to be radius 16 and radius 8. Check. Radius 16 and radius 8. Okay, now all set and done. Now if you look at this, now having arc of radius 50, radius 50, radius 50, and radius 50, and each of those arcs are they are external arc. How is this external arc? Check the link to the video under the description below. You will see a link to a video there. It is going to explain everything you need to know about Tangency to you. Now to get my arcs of radius 50, which are external, coming here with my tan radius, I pick this, and 50, enter, sharp, clean like like Maekll, fresh like Freshio, cheap like plantain chips. Okay, so that is also sorted. Then this at 50 also for the third mark. Then this at 50 also. For the fourth mark. So settled like that, isn't it? So then we'll start trimming. Trim this, 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 and trim this. So yeah, okay, delete that, okay. Yeah, we are almost done. Right now, if you are a very good observer, look at this here. So you notice that this line from here, okay, aligns to that line here, and likewise this side, the center line here also aligns with this line here. So, and that is where they actually flushed this arc of radius 26, 38, 38 and 38. So we are going to do that now also. So first of all, let us get that line up and running. Okay, so this line, so I'm going to just use extend. I won't disturb myself. Extend, 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 sharp, like that. So I'm going to pick match properties, match this to this and this, like that, enter. You get that? So now I'm going to use my tan radius. Okay, towards the bottom here is 38, towards the top here is 26. Take note of that. Here and here, that's what's 38. Okay, so here and here is what 26. You can see that here and here is 38, then here, and here is also what, 38. So then I can start trimming. Okay, like this, like this, like this, like this. Okay, so match properties, we match this to this and this, and see that to this also. I think that brings us to the head of this particular problem. Check, any mistake? No mistake. So the dimensioning, I won't be explaining that. You should be able to fix the dimension by yourself right now. Oh, we are not done. Yeah, this area, yeah, thank God I actually saw that. So arc of radius 26 and radius 26, and they are both external arc. So quick one, here 26. Okay, then here 26. Check. Then what, I'm trimming them out like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Okay, all right, save. So I think that brings us to the end of this interesting work of art, this interesting workpiece. Okay, so my name remains Oluwatunde Blessing Olalekon, the founder of MaekllTech. Kindly ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and also refer to your friends who might be in need of it. Thank you.